he nods, gets back on the phone, resumes speaking in a dialect totally alien.
What the hell are you doing on the shoulder?
I collect my mail.
Douchebag. Although that bus is taking up both lanes, so I'm thinking he's just going around them, which... That's also a stupid move, because they have signs where the lanes merge. It says, merge now. You can use both lanes. Come on, bus driver, you get paid by the hour. Who cares if people are ahead of you?
I say, as if the title just dawned on me. Cocktail. Oh, yeah, that's right. I say.
Yep, no stop.
Great, Bateman.
Toyo turd.
I shake my head as if to hotel, so it seems understandable. It doesn't irk me. But Paul Denton keeps staring at me, or trying not to, as if he knows something.
Hey, hello?
He's not quite sure he recognizes me.
Really?
And it makes me wonder if maybe he was on that cruise a long time.
No stop behind me, Nissan driver.
Got Junior and sent him to Exeter, where Scott had gone to school 4 years before I attended. They better have reservations, I warned Courtney in the cab. Just don't smoke a cigar, Patrick, she said slowly. Diet Coke. Some caffeine might get you out of this slump.
Oh, left turn. What an idiot up there.
She said softly,
What an asshole.
out the window to no one. Just cuisine is half an orange and some gelati. She gushes, then laughs, encouraging me to laugh with her, which I do, hesitantly. For an appetizer, I order radicchio with some kind of free-range squid.
Alright, dude, you've been on my ass for like the last 5 minutes. I'll move over just to let you go. There, have fun, asshole.
Infinity IRS-V speakers, I say. Wait a minute, he interrupts.
Calm
V
down.
speakers?
It's only a
I've never
tunnel.
heard of V speakers.
No need to be afraid.
See, that's what I mean, I say. If you don't have the V's, you might as well be listening to a goddamn Walkman. What's the bass response on those speakers? He asks suspiciously. An ultra low 15 hertz. That shuts him up for a minute. Anne drones on about non-fat frozen yogurt and chow chows. I sit back, satisfied at having stumped Scott. And 2 minutes he gains his composure and says, anyway, trying to act blissfully uncaring that he owns a cheap shitty stuff.
Yeah, rev your engine as loud as you can! It is certainly not annoying anyone.
So I don't think he was a bad coach, but on the other hand, I can't remember a coach who never won a playoff game get a bigger leash than Lewis. He lasted 16 years without a single playoff win. That's insane. Verdict properly rated. Titus Jackson, Jerry Stackhouse.
Heading on up south, I'm gonna see if I can't unwind.
I mean, they still like it because it goes against your whole case for Christianity, right? But the
Yeah,
truth
that you got me, Thomas. Yeah.
it doesn't
Really?
like me. Even if
along with Buddhism and Taoism, there's no God in either one of those. So, religion,
Run.
I think
Whoa,
a lot of
jeez.
times, see, the part of the
Whole bunch of
problem
them.
I have with atheists, I use the word ontological, but I think correspondence and ontological.
Hey, buddy, there's a big left lane over there. If I'm not going fast enough for you, why don't you use it to go around me instead of tailgate me? Yeah, there you go. Good job. You figured it out.
and they all have that is true for all of them. All of the religions.
You had a red light back there.
We know at least one person believed in them, and they probably built some statues and did a sacrifice or whatever they did.
Yeah, you
that's
too.
cool, but I just don't think then they're.
People standing
Yeah,
there
he was
just
going
calmly
straight. He
smiling,
kind of took us right
holding their
away.
little Jesus book, and I think in front of me all at once.
It's been, it's a long day, and there's a lot going on. We got some calls to get to. I'm gonna
You
add
can
one
keep
quick thing to the
going. It's
announcement.
clear.
Just less than 18 years ago, I called into an episode of in some other place. Suffice it to say that I'd like to just have one final show with really great calls. So find her via Spencer A. Games, holiday.
What the?
And a very special
Really?
thank you to everyone who's been a part of holiday.
What the?
And a very special
Really?
thank you to everyone who's been a part of my life in the show over the years, our great volunteers.
And I mean, there were things like seeing auras, and I mean, it's hard to describe at this point because I'm not there. I'm not interacting with them.
You said you wrote it all down. You said you wrote it all down.
Did he run through that stop sign? I think he
Tell us
did.
what happened.
Having that experience. So I think we can eliminate math as one of the reasons why you're having this so-called experience.
Wait, this guy's going the wrong way out of a one-way street. Really?
Is there for anything else? If I can take a board to the head,
Hello?
not to beat up on a previous caller, and go.
And they obviously fall to 1-3. The Vikings are 3-1, but they are anything but an impressive 3-1. You know who's done well so far is
What
the
the
Falcons
fuck is that?
at 2-2.
Really?
Give them credit. Give them credit. They've been in all 4 games. They're 2-2.
I have no clue what the hell you're doing.
Easily could have 2.
I have no clue what the hell you're doing.
Easily could have another win. And the Browns at 2-2 have to be disappointed. Chubb continued doing what Chubb is.
Like literally was like telling people, I'm stopping this busload of migrants going to Martha's Vineyard. I'm gonna tell them
Red
what
light,
I
Ron.
think, blah blah blah, and then he gets on. To what purpose? And that's the thing is, it was recently. Did you? Yeah. So there was this thing called Title 42.
Red light, Ron.
Where
Toyo
they were
turd.
allowing
My coworker out for coffee under the guise of relationship building felt deceitful to me.
Oh,
I
exit
didn't know
dive.
he could be gullible enough to fall for the friendship of a random teenager who From then on, whenever my thoughts drifted toward taking my own life, I gave myself full permission to do so.
Nice
I
cut off
didn't
behind
fight
me.
the darkness of my mind inside the rickshaw while pushing it to go faster. Our rail-thin peddler looked both grateful for the boot.
What are you doing, Screwbaroo? You can't go there yet.
Have another, he said, reaching up to pluck more. I giggled and tucked the leaves carefully into my passport holder.
And someone goes up the shoulder like a douchebag. No, Screwbaroo, what a surprise. Yeah, thanks for holding everyone up to look at an overturned trailer. Yeah, because, you know, I've been only needing to pee for like the last 20 minutes. Thanks a lot, guys.
How about you just tell Luke that I don't like either of them as more of a friend? But you do, Simone said. Not really, because even if Zach did like me back, I still wouldn't date him. Simone seemed torn by not wanting her to lie. I didn't blame her. We were both too conscientious for all
Yeah,
we did.
fuck you. I'll move over.
Please.
Have fun.
She reluctantly agreed. I was tying.
Fuck you. I'll move over.
Please.
Have fun.
She reluctantly agreed. I was tying the drawstring of my people who have not survived an authoritarian fundamentalist indoctrination do not realize what a complete mind rape it really is.
Oh, exit
I
dive
wanted
up there.
to scream with
Badly.
recollection, to laugh with relief.
Do you know what makes a human being decent? Fear. Therein lies.
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. And it's for real because we're in Pennsylvania. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll catch you next time in the next video. Okay, bye.